So let us solve the difference equation yn plus 2 plus 6yn plus 1 plus 9yn is equal to 2 power n with the initial condition y0 is equal to y1 is equal to 0. So the first step is apply Z transform on both sides. So Z transform of yn plus 2 plus 6 is a constant, Z transform of this sequence yn plus 1 plus 9 is a constant, Z transform of yn, which is equal to Z transform of the right hand side is 2 power n. Z transform of yn plus 2 is Z square into function of Z. So I will write it as y of Z function of Z minus y0 u0. In place of u0 I will write y0 minus y1 divided by Z plus 6 times Z transform of yn plus 1 is Z power 1 Z into y of Z minus y0 plus 9 into Z transform of a sequence yn is a function of Z, so y of Z, which is equal to Z transform of 2 power n is Z by Z minus 2. Z transform of 2 power n is Z by Z minus 2. So therefore we have Z square into y of Z, because y0 y1 equal to 0, so this term is 0, this is also 0, and y0 is also 0. So we are remaining with Z square into y of Z plus 6Z into y of Z plus 9 into y of Z, which is equal to right hand side is Z by Z minus 2. Z by Z minus 2. So the left hand side is, if you take y of Z common here, y of Z common, Z square remains here plus 6Z plus 9. So the common is y of Z. Common is y of Z, which is equal to Z by Z minus 2. Therefore, this y of Z will be equal to, first I will factorize this. What is the factorization of Z square plus 6Z plus 9? This is actually Z plus 3 whole square. So Z plus 3 whole square is equal to Z square plus 6Z plus 9 into y of Z, which is equal to Z by Z minus 2. Therefore y of Z will be equal to Z divided by Z minus 2 into Z plus 3 whole square. Now we will resolve this into partial fractions as a into Z by Z minus 2 for this factor plus b into, this is a repeated factor, therefore Z by Z plus 3 first term, and the next term is c into, since in the denominator we have Z plus 3 whole square, I will take here minus 3Z because a is minus 3. If you compare with Z by Z minus a whole square, a is minus 3, therefore minus 3Z divided by Z plus 3 whole square. So therefore y of Z divided by Z will be equal to 1 divided by Z minus 2 into Z plus 3 whole square, which is equal to, here it is a by Z minus 2 plus b by Z plus 3, here minus, plus into minus, minus 3 into c, 3c by Z plus 3 whole square. So therefore the numerator 1 will be equal to, a into Z plus 3 whole square. So remove Z minus 2, Z plus 3 whole square plus b into, so 1 Z plus 3 if you cancel, Z minus 2 into Z plus 3 minus 3c into z plus 2 whole square. If you can cancel, z minus 2. Now put z is equal to minus 3. If you substitute z equal to minus 3, when z is equal to minus 3, so left hand side is 1, right hand side minus 3 plus 3 0, so this term is 0, this term is 0, minus 3c into minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5, so minus into minus plus, so 5 3s are 15, so 15c will be equal to 1, therefore c is equal to 1 divided by this 15, so 1 by 15. So similarly, if you substitute z equal to 2, if you substitute z equal to 2, these two terms will be 0, so you will find in the left hand side 1, which is equal to 2 plus 3 5 square 25a. So therefore a is equal to 1 divided by 25. So c is 1 by 15, a is 1 by 25. Now we can give the some value, any value we can assume here. This is z equal to 2. So put z equal to 0. So when z equal to 0, so left hand side is 1. So 0 plus 3 is 3, 3 square is 9. 9a plus 3 minus 2 is 1, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6b minus 3c into z is 0, right, into minus 2. So which is, this is equal to 9a. So 9 into a is 25. 9 by 25 plus 6b minus into minus plus 3 2s are 6. 6c is 1 by 15. So 6 by 15. So therefore we have 6b. So 6b will be equal to, so bring this to the other side, 1 minus 9 by 25 minus 6 by 15. If you simplify this, we will find b is equal to, therefore b is equal to minus 1 by 25. Simplify this, you will find b is equal to minus 1 by 25. So therefore y of z will be equal to a into z by z minus 2. a is 1 by 25 into z by z minus 2 plus b is minus 1 by 25, substitute here, so z by z plus 3, and c is 1 by 15 plus 1 by 15 into minus 3z divided by z plus 3 whole square. So if you apply the inverse z transform of y of z is the sequence un or yn here, sequence yn, which is equal to 1 by 25, z by z minus 2 is 2 power n, inverse of z by z minus 2 is 2 power n, minus 1 by 25, inverse of z by z plus 3 is minus 3 power n, plus 1 by 15, inverse of minus 3z divided by z plus 3 whole square is minus 3 power n into n, minus 3 power n into n. So this is the inverse, the solution of the given difference equation.